Alright, YouTube. I'm making this video because I haven't seen a good video on it yet. Okay. This is the Dodge 2010 Dodge Journey 2.4 liter. Sorry about the noise in the background. Somebody's mowing the yard. Anyway. This is your thermostat housing. Okay. That's a heater core hose down there. That one right there. And that's also a heater core hose. The problem that I have with this vehicle is these T-fittings back here. They're plastic and they break really easily. Dodge does not sell just this T. They sell the hoses and everything as one part. So, the solution for this, go to Napa Autoparts and get 10461. Get two of them. 1, 2. Okay, this is if you want to replace both of these T's. See, I got another T here, right behind that one. Okay. There's a lot of hose clamps here, but it's not actually this complicated as it looks like it. So, anyways, yeah, 10461. So the inside diameter of this tube here is 0.46, so it's almost half an inch, but not quite. They don't really make half-inch heater core hose unless you order it online. So, anyways, this is 0.46 heater core hose, 10461. Okay, that's the exact part. These are $22.99 a piece. This one, so that's 40 bucks. To get this whole thing from Dodge is 183, so you're still saving a lot of money. 22. This fitting right here is about 5 bucks. Same thing as this one, 5 bucks. So, on this fitting here, you need a 1/2 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch. This is a barbed PEX reducing T. That's what it's called. I found mine at Log Supply. Okay. Now, I messed up and got the wrong one, so I had to go get this reducing thing here. But you don't need that if you buy the right fitting. Okay. This is actually 1/2 inch by 3/4 by 1, and then I had to jump it up to 1 inch for this. But if you do it right, like I did this one down here, it's 1 inch, 1 inch, 1/2 inch. That is a barbed PEX reducing T. That's what it's called. Like I said, about 5 bucks. 1 inch, 1 inch, 1/2 inch. It's gonna be kind of hard to find because they're kind of rare, but you can find them online. Okay. So put that on there, and you get you some hose clamps. Make sure they're nice and tight. That's your heater core, and these lines go back to your rear heater core. But that is the solution. Okay. The lines coming from the thermostat, this line and this line down here, they need a 1 inch fitting or a 7/8. A 7/8 would be ideal, but it's hard to find a 7/8 T. They only make PEX in 1/2, 3/4, and 1 inch. So you can squeeze this on the 1 inch. This takes a little doing. It's not overly tight. You can get it on there pretty easy. So yeah, this is 7/8 inside diameter. This is also 7/8 inside diameter. This is 1/2 inch inside diameter hose. I replaced these hoses just because the old hoses were too worn out to fit on this thing. So I got the 1/2 inch hose to fit on the 1/2 inch fitting, and then I squeezed it on these down here on the other side over here. Okay. Now these hoses here, this hose, this hose, this hose, and the hose down here will all confuse you because they are 3/4. They're 3/4 here, 3/4 here, but on the other end they're 1 inch. So it's 1 inch or 7/8, 3/4, 3/4. I think Dodge did that on purpose to try and force you to buy the special fitting, but we got around it. So same thing on the thermostat housing. Okay, they are 3/4 here and down there. They're 3/4 on this side, but on the other side, 1 inch and 1 inch. Okay, so the hoses change sizes from side to side. But yeah, you can fit the 7/8, 7/8. My bad. So yeah, you got 7/8, 7/8, 1/2 inch, 3/4, 3/4. You shouldn't have to replace any of these tubes. All you need to get is these T's. So ignore this piece right here because this was my mess up. So ignore that. Boop. All you need is that T right there. 1 inch, 1 inch, 1/2 inch, and you need these hoses right here. Okay, so you need 2 of these, 10461. You need 2 of those. You need plenty of hose clamps. Okay, make sure you get good hose clamps. Don't get the cheap value pack because they're Chinese and they break. China makes good stuff sometimes, just not hose clamps. But yeah, I was able to reuse these. It's a little bit of a pain because this is 7/8 hose and I squeezed it on a 1 inch adapter. It expanded a lot, so I trust these to actually hold it on there good. But lots of hose clamps, like I said. 7/8. The hose is 7/8. 7/8, 7/8, 7/8, 3/4, 3/4, and down at the thermostat is 3/4. Okay, these need to be 1/2 inch. Alright. Y'all have a good time. I also have a video on changing the water pump. If you want to see about that, hit up my channel.